In front of me is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this VIVO. First of all, launch Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck, like that, and install free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!